everybody. I'm Kyle from Detroit Speed, and it's the morning after. You know, this car behind us called the TUX, a 1969 Camaro. We started life in 2005 in our shop. The fourth car we've built for Stuart Adams, and you know, Stuart called after we had the third car we built for him, and he said, you know, I want to build a car like you've always wanted to build a car. And it wasn't an open budget car, but it was something that was special to both Stuart and Detroit Speed team to build a 69 Camaro that we're known to build at Detroit Speed with all of our parts, the guys in the shop, and to make it a very special car, and it has been. You know, to come up here and win the 2018 Street Machine of the Year is, it's tough to do. It's something that we've tried several times. We've won it once back in 2000. So 18 years later to come back with a car, it gets harder and harder to build a car to come do this. And like I said, it's a special day for Stuart, special day for everybody at Detroit Speed, all of our partners in the industry that have been a part of this project, everybody in the shop. This car is special in so many ways that it looks like a 69 Camaro, but you know, we want it to perform. We want it to look like a Camaro, but in so many ways, you know, it's sophisticated, it's exotic, and it performs, and that's what we do at Detroit Speed. So to be able to put this together for Stuart and have him here and a lot of people from the shop to experience what it's like to really win Street Machine of the Year at Good Guys, it's an award that means a lot to us. There's indoor show car awards, there's awards for a lot of different things, but to come to Good Guys and to win this award, it's so much harder to do these days, and it takes so much of a car and an effort to do it. I also want to thank our partners that are involved with this project, and you know, we're loyal to all of our partners that we use at Detroit Speed. We believe they're the best partners we could have. We use them for that reason, and very loyal to all our product partners. From advanced plating on this car, you know, all the chrome plating from the windshield trim to the wheels to really every single part you see on the car that's chrome, advanced plating did several trips back and forth to Nashville to make things right, you know, with Steve and Sherry and their whole crew, to ARP fasteners. Every fastener on this car is a stainless steel 12-point fastener from ARP that's been detailed after we got it from ARP, to Baer brakes on the 6R calipers and rotors that we've got on the car. Bowler performance transmissions we always use. Classic instruments, you know, the one-off gauges that John and his crew put together for us for TUX with several design iterations back and forth, and finally ended up on what we had and a perfect gauge setup for the car. Forgeline wheels, we designed a one-off set of wheels for TUX that are truly unique and fit the car perfectly. They pulled that off in record time for us. To M&M Hot Rod Interiors, Wayne and Pam did an awesome job helping us design the interior and pulling that together for us. And we're very loyal to PPG paints. That's all we use at Detroit Speed. Every car that rolls through, we believe in their product, use their product, send our guys to training, and the guys in the shop, they're comfortable with it, they know it, and do an awesome job. And finally, Vintage Air. You know, every car that goes through the shop gets an air conditioning and heat defrost system from Vintage Air, our longtime partners. So again, we believe in these products, our loyal partners, and it makes everybody better in the industry and definitely makes our cars better. So thank you all for what you do. A car like this stretches not only imagination and the workmanship of the guys in the shop to build a car to this level, but also in the industry to push our vendors to come up with these one-off parts. It means a lot to be able to, again, accomplish this and win this award. It's an award for the true cars that get driven, that are real cars, and that's what Detroit Speed's about. So it means a ton to me, and like I said, it's just harder and harder to win this award. So great job to everybody at the shop, and couldn't be prouder of you, everybody that's involved, and everybody here at the crew at Columbus that helped us pull this off. It's an awesome day.